Welcome back, guys. How you doing? I hope you're having fun. Okay, today we'll be dealing with the ways we can output data in PHP. How we can output data to the browser, like displaying data. In PHP, we have two ways we can display data to the browser. The first one is echo, and the second one is print. Echo like this, and print like this. And these are the two ways we can output data to the browser for the users to see, or probably for people to see. Okay, the echo and print are more or less the same thing. They are both used to output data to the screen, but there are differences. The differences are small. Now, echo has no return value, while print has a return value of 1, so it can be used in expression. Print can be used in expression. Echo can take multiple parameters, although such uses is rare. Print can only take one argument. Echo is a little bit faster than print. Okay, I'm gonna do a different videos, separate videos for print. Right now I'll be dealing on echo. For example, okay, as you can see, I've already created a file um, for this particular tutorial, which is echo.php. Okay, now in my previous tutorials you've been seeing me use echo in some occasions. Almost all the time I try to display information, I use echo. Now we are really going to talk about echo in a very broad way now. Okay, after this particular tutorial, I'm going to do a tutorial for print. Now, for example, if I have um, this data, now let's see what's gonna display on the browser. Let's refresh this. I already created this file. Our PHP is fun. Now PHP is fun is a string. That's what we call string. In if you have a if you are an experienced programmer, probably you've been programming with other languages, you should know what string is all about. String is, it's like a sentence, or a combination, or maybe a word or combination of words. Yeah, string. And the string must be inside. When you are writing a string, or you want to display a string, while you're writing the code, you must put it inside a quotation mark, this quotation sign here. Okay, now for example, we have this. Inside this quote we have PHP is fun. Now also you can also input, you can also echo HTML tags inside PHP. Now for example, I want to make this, did we view, okay, like it's like we viewed this. Now let's make an HTML tag inside this h4. Okay, as h4. Now initially this is what we had, the result. Okay, now let's refresh and see what's going to show. You see it's bold now. Now I'm using a header tag inside this PHP script for echo. Okay, let's have another echo and display another information. Example, this hello world. Hello world. Okay, now let's try to output it on the browser. Hello world. Okay, let's hello world again. Now let's see what's gonna happen here. Now it is outputted in the same line, and probably you might want to output it in another line beneath the first one. Now all you have to do is you can input a line break here, an HTML line break here, and that will move the next hello world to the next line. Okay, as you can see, that's easy. Okay, now as simple as that. Now let's try to use, I didn't tell you that echo can use multiple parameters. You can output sets of series of strings on it. Now for example, if I have this, okay, let me insert the line break here so that it will be outputted in the next line. Okay, echo this string, sorry, multiple parameters, full stop here. Okay, let's try to view this in the browser. Let's see the result. Okay, as you can see, the quotation sign is, this one is inside the quotation sign, the first one, this one is inside another quotation sign, the second one, the third one, the fourth one, the last one, the final one, which is a feed. Now as you can see, this echo can do this. Echo can accept parameters, can take multiple parameters. I don't think prints can also do that. That's what we're going to find out in the next tutorial. We're gonna, the next video, because I'll be dealing with we'll be dealing with the prints language construct. Okay, let's try. Even my previous video I showed you guys variables. Now let's try to use variable to output data through echo language construct. Now if I have text1 as let's say len php, sorry, php len php, the second one text2, sorry, YouTube. Okay, let's have another variable which is 5, which is 4. Now you've noticed this, anytime you're trying to write a string, you must put it inside the quotation sign. But if you're trying to write an integer and numbers, you put it inside. You're not gonna put it inside the quotation mark. You're just gonna write it like that. But if you're writing a string, make sure it's inside the quotation sign or mark, as the case may be. Okay, Okay. Sorry. I think you all know what I I'm trying to do here. Sorry, we are gonna use replace that with this variable. Um, okay. Let me send a line break. Yeah, so as the next line should be outputted on the next line, on a different line. The next sentence should be outputted on a different line. Okay. Okay. Now let's see what's gonna happen on the browser. Okay, let me minimize this and try to go line by line. As you can see, we declared a variable text1, which is length php, text2 YouTube, um, x is 5, y is 4. Okay, now we have echo. This is an HTML tag for header. For most of you that doesn't know about HTML, I think you should go back and study HTML. From here you will learn about the tags that we use to structure HTML pages. Okay, now for most of you that some of you that knows about the tags, you can you should know what this is all about. Now this tag is used to display header information, data that are like headers. Now for example, this is what is shown here. Okay, let's try to decrease this one to maybe 4. Save this output. Look at what's gonna show. Okay, I think you've seen that. That's cool as that. So now echo, the first one is echo text1, which is length php. This length php. Now the second one is study php at text2, which is, as you can see, text2 is YouTube. Now we also have echo x as a variable x plus variable y. Variable x, the value is 5, variable y, the value is 4. So when you sum them up, it's gonna give you 9. 5 plus 4 is 9. So now it's as easy as that. So now I believe you've understood how echo works now and how to use it. Okay, all right. This should be where we end our echo video tutorials. Then in my next tutorial, I will show you guys and print and language constructs. Okay, all right. I'll take time there to explain the difference more in the difference between echo and prints. Okay, that should be all for now. Please, if you like my videos, you subscribe and like them. Okay, if you have any question, you can always write them down on the comment section. I'll make sure I reply them. Okay, thank you very much. Bye.